Welcome to Foxtecc. Today, I'll show you how to get a live rain wallpaper on your iPhone. Now, you might have seen a few apps on the App Store that claim to offer live wallpapers, including rain effects, but it's not always that simple. iOS has some limitations around live wallpapers, and not every app will work as you expect. However, there are a couple of ways to get that rainy dynamic look on your screen. First, you should know that Apple actually has a built-in weather wallpaper option on iOS. This feature dynamically changes based on your current weather conditions. If it's raining outside, for example, your wallpaper will show a rain effect, giving you that live rain look. This setup uses data from the weather app, which can use up a little extra battery and internet to keep the conditions updated. But if you enjoy that real-time connection to the weather outside, it's definitely a great option. Apple's design for these wallpapers is sleek and subtle, but it's built in. So you're somewhat limited to the style Apple has chosen. If you want a bit more control over your wallpaper, here's another option. Create a live photo of rain and set that as your wallpaper. This approach gives you more flexibility with the image or video you choose. You can record a short video of rain yourself or download one from the internet. Once you have the video, you'll need an app that can convert videos into live photos. There are a few free options on the App Store that can do this. After you've converted the video into a live photo, go to Settings, then Wallpaper, and choose your live photo as the wallpaper. When set on the lock screen, the live photo will show a small movement effect when you press and hold, giving you a rain-like dynamic background. This is probably the closest you'll get to a custom live rain wallpaper on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this helped you set up a live rain wallpaper, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. See you later.